Hello, here I am again. Welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about the other three sentences that you can say if you had a breakup or a divorce, and when you want to know if you're ready to move on to another relationship. And maybe if you're already in a relationship, you can also listen to these sentences and see how it resonates with you. And if you feel this way, and if you can really honor the other parent you used to have a relationship with. And if not, what's holding you back? And do you want to do something with it to solve it? So your heart is filled with love. And well, I will not start with the two sentences I already gave in the previous video. I will now move on with the number 3, 4, and 5. What are the next sentences that you can say to yourself, or of course the best when you're sitting with the partner of your children, with the father or mother of the children, and you're sitting together and you can say these sentences out loud if possible, if the situation is good. And you can not only say it but also feel those sentences. That's the most important part. Then you know that it's closed the relationship in a good way. It's full of love, and it's a period of your life that is over, and it's you look back on it in the way that you want to look back on it. Okay, number 3. You thank you for the many good things you have given me. I honor that. So don't criticize it afterwards while you saw it as a good thing at the time. That's really important. Again, thank you for the many good things you have given me. I honor that. So don't criticize it afterwards while you saw it as a good thing at the time. Really important. Okay. The 4th sentence. I take responsibility for what went wrong between us. I leave the responsibility for the part that is yours with you. Again, I take the responsibility for what went wrong between us. I leave the responsibility for the part that is yours with you. Okay. The 5th and last sentence. I will take all the good things from our relationship into the future. Thank you for that. One more time. I will take all the good things from our relationship into the future. Thank you for that. Okay, those were the 3 sentences that were left. And I wanted to share this with you so you can see for yourself how those sentences feel for you, if they're important for you. And if not, you can also say, I love you through the children. The only negative side about that is that you still are connected with the negative side. So but if that's it, then that's it. If there's not more in there, there's just not more. Always, every situation is different. You are different. The father or mother of the children is different. So if you cannot say those sentences out loud with the other parent, then you can say them for yourself. When I say those things to myself, when I have the other parent in mind, can I say those sentences to this person? And you can see for yourself if this is the truth for you. If not, then just leave it out. If it is, you can work on it and see for yourself what you need to make this work for you. So this was my opinion, and I was asked to share this with you. So here was my opinion for this week. I hope it helped you, and I hope that it helps you to move on and see for yourself if you're ready to move on to a new relationship, or when you're already in a new relationship, if you can still look back at the previous relationship you used to have with the father and mother of the children you have together. So I think it will help you, and I hope it helped you. For the last, I'd like to end with a reminder of the introduction workshop, Space for Emotions and Limits for Behavior with Children, Wednesday 15th of March, 8 p.m. Amsterdam time. I hope to see you there. If you want more information, send an email to info@icaptainofmyship.com. Information below. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.